students, this is the second part of our third lesson. It is 1.3, the cop and the anthem. So open your books, page number 28, third paragraph. Here where is given the information about the writer and about this story, third paragraph. Now listen carefully. In this story, the main character Sophie is a vagabond. See the meaning of this word, vagabond. Vagabond, it means a person without home or shelter. In this story, the main character Sophie is a vagabond and a person with criminal background. So here in this story, we are going to learn about a person Sophie, and he is the main character of this story. And Sophie, he didn't have any kind of home or shelter to live there, and this person Sophie also had some kind of criminal background. It means he did some criminal activities in his past, in his life. He makes different plans to re-enter the prison as he has no shelter to protect himself from the severe winter. See the meaning of this word, severe, S-E-V-E-R. It means very intense or harsh. So, in that area where Sophie was living, the atmosphere was very cold, and particularly that was the winter season, and in that season he wanted to protect himself from that severe, intense, hard, cold weather, and therefore he wanted to enter into the jail to protect himself. He went into the jail, into the prison many times, and now he is making different kinds of plan to re-enter into that jail. The story ends in an unexpected way. So this story, we are going to learn this story when ends. That ends unexpectedly. Whatever we expect from this story to end the particular way, that will not end that way. It will end in a very different way. O. Henry has depicted, see the meaning of this word? Depict, it means present by writing. Sophie's futile. See the meaning of this word, futile. It means useless. Futile attempts to get arrested in a very humorous way. See the meaning of this word, vein. It means a distinctive style or quality. Distinctive style or quality. So, in this story, the writer O. Henry present Sophie's life by his writing, and here the writer is trying to present futile attempts, useless attempts of Sophie to be arrested, to go into the jail, into the prison, and that those scenes, oh, he represent very humorously. The cop and the anthem is about freedom and confinement. Confinement, it means prison, jail. So this story, the cop and the anthem is about our freedom and prison, confinement. Initially, it means at the starting, Sophie feels that there is a freedom from miseries and worries. So what is the meaning of miseries? Look at here. It means unhappiness, sorrow, or suffering. So at the starting of this lesson, the main character Sophie feels that there is freedom from this winter, from this severe winter, very intense, harsh, cold atmosphere into the jail, and all his miseries and worries will end when he will enter into the jail or prison or be confinement. In confinement, prison, the note, it means something written on a page. The note of anthem transform him from within. From within, it means from inside. And he resolves, it means decide or determine. He resolves to work hard, and after some time he got a note of an anthem. Anthem, it means arousing or uplifting song. After reading that anthem in that note on that page, he transferred from inside, within inside, from his inside, and then he decided to work hard and make or buy a home shelter for himself. Sophie faced the irony of jokes. It means there were irony of the fate. Fate, it means our destiny. So when Sophie decided to work hard, that time his fate, his destiny make different kinds of jokes with him. Whatever he decided to do, that was not happening in his favor. As the moment he realized the real freedom lies, it means be present. Lies in the virtuous life. See the meaning of this word? Virtuous, it means having or showing high moral standard. Another meaning is righteous. So what is the meaning of righteous? Righteous, it means do what is right. He realized the real freedom lies in the virtual life as he taken into confinement. So when he wanted to work hard, he understood that real freedom is in a virtuous life. It means in a moral life. Do what is right, don't do wrong things. So when he understood all these things, after that police arrested him and put him into a prison, into a jail. This is the end of this story. So from the next part we will learn the actual story. So today we are going to stop here. Thank you very much.